Hey guys, I bet you're getting good at these division algorithms by now. In this video, we're going to be looking at how you can use the division algorithm in a case where we're going to have a remainder. Can you remember a few videos back when we looked at remainders? In this example, you have 68 plant seeds and you want to distribute them evenly among 5 students. How many seeds can each student receive, ensuring they get the same number? This time, I'm just going to go straight to writing it into a division algorithm. 68, spacing my numbers nice and far apart, shared between 5. What's this going to look like? Well, let's make it. We've got 6 10s and 8 1s. 6 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, an extra one there. And 8 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's share our 6 10s into 5 groups. Put them all at the top. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can only have 1 in each group. I haven't got enough for 2 in each group. 6 10s shared between 5. They get 1 each. And there's 1 left over, which becomes 18 1s. We're going to rename our 1 10 as 10 1s and change the materials. So 1 10 comes out, 10 1s comes in. And I now have 18 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. When I share my 18 1s into the 5 groups, it will look like now look, I'm not going to have enough to give them 1 more each. Each of them has 3 1s, but I don't have enough to give them more. 18 1s shared between 5, they're going to have 3 each. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These 3 that I have left, they are going to be our remainders, and we're just going to put a little r and 3. What our algorithm tells us is 68 shared between 5 is going to be 13, remainder 3. That matches 10, 11, 12, 13 in each group, and remainder 3. Now that we've solved our algorithm, let's go back and answer the question. You have 68 plant seeds and you want to distribute them evenly among 5 students. How many seeds can each student receive, ensuring they get the same number? Answer: each student receives 13 seeds and 3 are left over. We've answered our question, and that's how you can use these written algorithms to help you solve division, even where there's a remainder. Now it's your turn. Have a go at the attached activity, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.